Hello again, 7th graders. Welcome to your writing module number 4. And in this module, you're going to be now writing persuasive essays. Let me share my screen with you. As always, please remember that when you have any trouble uploading your work to the platform, you can simply send it to itmustbeenglish@gmail.com, or if you have any questions. So a persuasive essay is an essay in which you are going to convince somebody of your point of view. And I'm giving you a thesis statement. You're going to use this thesis statement to write a 3-paragraph essay persuading readers to recycle their soda cans. If you walk down the street, you're going to find hundreds of soda cans and beer cans. So you want people to start recycling them. Now, this is the rubric. If you write the title correctly, you get 5 points. Remember, titles in English are written in a specific way. You're either entirely capitalized or the first word of each word is capitalized. Make sure you do that, you get 5 points. Your introduction, which is your first paragraph, needs to have the thesis statement correctly placed. The thesis statement is always, for this class, going to be the last sentence in the first paragraph. The first paragraph is the introduction paragraph. Okay, so make sure whatever you write goes above the thesis statement, and the thesis statement is just part of that paragraph. Do not separate the thesis statement as a separate paragraph. It's part of the first paragraph, okay? And your second paragraph, 5 points. Your conclusion, in which you're gonna restate the thesis statement using different words, 5 points. And if you include the amount of words, you get 5 points. Total, 25 points. Okay, what is the thesis statement? By recycling these cans, we are protecting the environment and making sure future generations can enjoy nature too. Remember, the thesis statement goes at the end of the first paragraph. The first paragraph is also known as your introduction paragraph. So your essay is going to have 3 paragraphs. The first one with the thesis statement, the second one where you just convince me more, and the third one in which you're going to conclude and restate the thesis statement. Please pay attention to these instructions. And if you ask somebody to write this for you, make sure they pay attention to these instructions too. Write your title correctly. Make sure your thesis statement is part of your first paragraph. Make sure you have a second paragraph, and make sure your third paragraph with the conclusion also states the thesis statement again using other words. This is extremely important. Some of you have been doing really well, some of you not so much, but you just need to follow instructions as given. I'm only asking you for 3 paragraphs. The thesis statement is not a paragraph, it's part of the first paragraph. In fact, let me write it here. The thesis statement is the last sentence in the first paragraph. The first paragraph is the introduction. Okay? I need you to understand this. Do not separate the thesis statement or use it at the beginning of your paragraph. It goes at the end, the last sentence in your first paragraph. And your first paragraph is the introduction. Last time some of you wrote introduction, then first paragraph. No, the first paragraph is your introduction. Okay, kids, have fun with this. Please follow the instructions exactly as given. If you have any questions, you can send them to itmustbeenglish@gmail.com. See you next time and have fun with this. Bye-bye.